How to find a picture's meta tag details on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen or in the apps screen, open up the gallery app, then go back to your main gallery homepage. Now in here, open up a picture. Next, tap on the more button at the top and then tap on details. After, you'll be able to find and view the picture's meta tag. Down here, it will give you the image size, the lens size, the resolution, and ISO, what lens size, and apertures, and the shutter speed, and so on. So in here, you will be able to find all the meta tag belongs to the picture. And that's it. After, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.